Hi there, Melody from WTI. Here to talk to you about this awesome Magma nesting cookware set. Let me tell you all about it. In the set comes a Bungee storage cord, removable handle, and the set includes 3 saucepans, which are 1.5 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart, and a 5 quart stock pot, and as well as a skillet frying pan and a lid that fits all the pots. Ceramica non-stick will not stain, peel, blister, or flake, and nothing sticks to it. The easily removable handle fits all the pots. The triple-clad bottoms are milled perfectly flat for superior even heat distribution. So great for camping, as you can see, great for the home, whatever, if you're short on space in your little cupboards. This is an amazing, beautiful, high quality set that I'm very happy with, and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.